Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the AISEN 2.1 Convertible Soundbar Multimedia speaker. I will show you what it looks like on the box. There you go. This is the 2.1 Convertible Soundbar Multimedia speaker. It looks like this, and this is the subwoofer 2.1. There you go. It has a lot of information. Digital display panel. We'll take a look. USB input, remote control, FM radio, wireless connectivity, SD card input as well. This is a 65-watt speaker. Let's take a look at the other side of the boxes. Here we are. There's one subwoofer, two satellite speakers, remote control, user manual, warranty card, RCA cable. Great. What else? That's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a look at the speakers. This is a speaker set, 2.1 multimedia speaker set, and also a soundbar. I will show you how that's done, and this also comes with Bluetooth connectivity. So this is the user manual and also the RCA cable. This is the RCA cable. Is an extra cable of sorts. I'm going to leave this one here. There are some mounts and some screws. There, some mount and screws. I'll show them separately. For now, let's take a look at the user manual. This is the user manual and the warranty information for the multimedia speaker. Couple of okay, these are stands for your satellite speakers. Very interesting. These are these satellite speakers. Much faster. There you go. This is what they look like. These are the AISEN satellite speakers. It has a metallic rings over here. Well, non-metallic, but they're not exactly metal, but they look metallic. Has a nice glossy finish to it, very reflective. You can see, you can see the reflection of the camera above. This is the remote control, and this is a larger thermocol tray. There it is. That's the subwoofer. So this is the subwoofer, and I'm going to show it properly. There you go. This is what the face looks like. This is the LED display. This is the volume rocker over here, and you can access the menu from here. This is the play pause button right over here. This is the power cable. This is basically this is the one that you'll be feeling in the subwoofer itself. ST MMC card slot over here, and a USB-A port. This one. So, and what else do we have? Let's look at the back side. So this is your input, this is your output, and this is for the FM antenna should you have one. And this is basically your power on off button. Great. So the good thing about this particular device is actually these satellites. So if you don't have a lot of space, you can obviously listen to it, set it up like so. But the good thing is that you can also attach them like a soundbar. You will notice there are some grooves here. I will give you close this. So these grooves over here. So you can attach these grooves. I will give it a shot. There we are. Now you have a soundbar, which is very interesting. This is a great feature. If you don't have enough space to put a soundbar in your house, then you can totally use it like so. So you can join it and keep it like that. So basically, if you are, you have shifted to a new space and using it like a soundbar, but you don't have the space to, set up the soundbar all over again, you can just take them off like this. I'll show you. There you are. This twist, and it comes off, and you have two separate speakers. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the AISEN 2.1 Convertible Soundbar Multimedia speaker. Thank you for watching.